If you want to change a user's license type in the ZAIP Partner Portal, the first thing you need to do is click into the active subscription you want to work on. Once you're in the active subscription, scroll down to Manage SAP Users. From here, you click on the pencil next to the user you want to work on. I can see here that this user already has a professional license. If I wanted to change them to a limited CRM, I would click on the right-hand side the professional license to remove it, and then on the left-hand side, I would click on the CRM license to add it. Once I've made the changes I want, I click Submit and click the Start Process button. Once the task is completed, you can confirm that the action has gone through by clicking back on Manage SAP Users, and this user now has a limited CRM license.